AMSOIL costs nearly twice what Mobil 1 costs on the shelf. And there are mechanics who will argue with you all day about whether that price difference is justified protection or just excellent marketing from a company with a very loyal following. If you own a Ram Hemi, a diesel pickup, or any engine you're committed to running past 200,000 miles, this price question is worth understanding before your next oil change. I'm going to break AMSOIL Signature Series and Mobil 1 Full Synthetic down across 4 categories and give you my honest answer on whether doubling your oil budget actually doubles your engine protection. Here's what you're comparing when you put these two oils side by side. AMSOIL is an independent company based in Superior, Wisconsin, and they made history in 1972 as one of the first companies to offer a synthetic motor oil for passenger car use in America. They do not sell at Walmart. You buy through their dealer network, their website, or at specialty automotive stores. Their flagship product, AMSOIL Signature Series, runs about $12 to $14 per quart, which means a 5-quart oil change using Signature Series costs you somewhere in the $60 to $70 range for the oil alone. That is not a misprint. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic runs about $6 to $7 per quart, putting your 5-quart change at around $30 to $35 at Walmart. Before we even get to performance, I want you to sit with that price gap, because the only way AMSOIL makes financial sense is if you use it the way it was designed to be used. More on that in Round 4. Round 1 is wear protection. AMSOIL Signature Series has one of the strongest anti-wear additive packages of any synthetic motor oil on the consumer market. That results in the ASTM D4172 4-ball wear test, which measures how well an oil prevents metal-on-metal contact under extreme pressure, show a measurably smaller wear scar diameter than most competing synthetics, including Mobil 1. In plain English, that means AMSOIL maintains a more protective film between your engine's metal surfaces under the most severe conditions. High RPM, sustained heavy load, performance applications. AMSOIL's additive chemistry is built for worst-case scenarios. I've opened engines that ran AMSOIL Signature Series for extended intervals, and the cam lobes, lifter faces, and bearing surfaces looked cleaner than almost anything else I've seen in a used engine. AMSOIL takes Round 1, and it's not particularly close. Score: AMSOIL 1, Mobil 1, 0. Round 2 is heat resistance. AMSOIL Signature Series has a flash point around 460 degrees Fahrenheit and a NOAC volatility between 6 and 7%, which means it burns off less oil at high temperature than almost any consumer motor oil on the market. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic has a flash point around 446 degrees Fahrenheit and NOAC in the 8 to 9% range. In real-world terms, if you're running a Ram 1500 with the 5.7 Hemi through the desert Southwest in July, towing a heavy fifth wheel, AMSOIL is burning off less oil and maintaining better film thickness between your engine's moving parts longer into that sustained heat event. The numbers are not close. AMSOIL takes Round 2. Score: AMSOIL 2, Mobil 1, 0. But here's where it gets interesting, because Mobil 1 fights back in Rounds 3 and 4, not on pure performance, but on real-world accessibility and practicality. Round 3 is cold weather performance. AMSOIL Signature Series in 5W30 has a pour point around -54 degrees Celsius and exceptional cold crank performance in industry-standard testing. Mobil 1 Full Synthetic 5W30 has a pour point around -40 to -45 degrees Celsius. In a Minnesota winter at 20 below zero Fahrenheit, AMSOIL flows faster to your engine's bearings on a cold start. The difference is real and measurable on a spec sheet. Now, in the real world, for the vast majority of American drivers in all but the most extreme northern climates, northern Minnesota, Montana, Alaska, the Dakotas, in January, both oils circulate quickly enough on a cold start that the practical difference for engine protection is very small. But if you live in a climate that regularly drops below -10 Fahrenheit and you're starting a cold engine every morning, AMSOIL's cold flow advantage is real protection you're actually using. AMSOIL takes round 3. Score: AMSOIL 3, Mobil 1, 0. Round 4 is oil life. And this is the round where the entire financial conversation about AMSOIL changes. AMSOIL Signature Series is rated for up to 25,000 miles or 1 year in normal passenger car service. Mobil 1 Extended Performance is rated for up to 20,000 miles. Regular Mobil 1 is rated for 10,000 miles. If you're actually running AMSOIL to its rated interval, the cost math flips entirely. Here's the calculation. At $65 for a 5-quart AMSOIL change and a 25,000-mile interval, you're spending about $260 per 100,000 miles on oil. At $32 for Mobil 1 and a 10,000-mile interval, you're spending $320 per 100,000 miles. Used properly at its full rated interval, AMSOIL Signature Series actually costs less per mile of engine protection than regular Mobil 1. AMSOIL wins round 4 on total value when used as designed. Final score: AMSOIL 4, Mobil 1, 0. Here's what I tell every customer who asks me whether AMSOIL is worth it. On pure performance metrics, AMSOIL wins every single round. It is a genuinely superior product in wear protection, heat resistance, cold flow, and extended oil life. There is no way around that. If you own a Ram Hemi, a diesel, a high-mileage truck you're committed to running another 100,000 miles, or a performance vehicle, go to the AMSOIL website, set up a preferred customer account, and grab the Signature Series in your engine's specified viscosity. Most American V8 truck owners want 5W30. Newer EcoBoost F-150 owners are typically on 5W20 or 0W20, depending on the year. Here is my honest footnote, and this is important. AMSOIL only makes financial sense if you actually use it at extended intervals. If you're going to pay $65 for AMSOIL and then change it at 5,000 miles anyway, you are wasting money. If you want to run extended intervals, do it right. Use an oil analysis service to test a sample and confirm the oil is still in spec before committing to full extended changes. That is the responsible way to run any extended interval program. If you want to grab AMSOIL Signature Series or Mobil 1 to compare for your own situation, I've got direct links to both in the description below. Same exact products I'd buy for my own truck. Next time I'm going through the 5 oil change mistakes I've personally seen kill more engines than anything else in 35 years, and one of them most car owners do at every single oil change. Take care of your engine. It's the only one you've got. I'll see you next time.